Welcome back to part 15 of the Stealth Silverado build. Today we are transforming the face of this truck by tackling the front grille inserts and adding a custom styling twist. Instead of just blanking out the whole front end, we're going for a sharp two-tone look. Alfred is wrapping the top and bottom grille inserts in satin black, but leaving the middle bar completely gloss. Prepping and trimming inside these tight grille recesses takes hours of patience, but the factory-style contrast is worth every second. To tie the whole stealth look together, we're hitting that front Chevy emblem with a fresh coat of Plastidip. Yep, liquid wrap is another elite customization service we offer at VTwin Skinz. It gives the badge a durable, clean matte finish without having to pull the whole assembly apart. All custom, all the time. Wait till the end to look at that final front-end profile. Mean, sleek, and completely updated. This rugged used workhorse is down to its final touches before hitting the South Florida market. If you're looking for a solid custom truck in Miami, hit us up now. Explore over 330 premium color PPF choices at VTwinSkinz.com. DM us the word credit for your free 2026 care guide and a $250 installation credit, and subscribe to at Alfred Wraps on YouTube. Go see this full video there, hit all the buttons, and leave a comment. We love your feedback. Just one last video coming, up next the roof and final reveal. Stay tuned.